DaVinci is a handheld 3D Play-Doh printer that works like a glue gun and is designed for kids aged 6 to 12 years old. How much is the DaVinci by Hasbro? This product is expected to be released with a retail price of $19.99. Now let's have a look at some of the main positive and negative aspects. The DaVinci functions like a glue gun, which you can use by loading a Play-Doh-like substance into it and print by pulling the trigger. Whether kids want to make 2D designs or 3D models, they will be safe since it does not emit any heat and it takes a while to harden instead of becoming crumbly after a few minutes. Here's our conclusion. Let your kid's masterpiece become real in 3D with DaVinci from Hasbro. Thanks for checking out our review. To know more about this product, click on the link below this video now.